Go to Window, click Essential Graphics, and the Essential Graphics panel should display. We're going to choose the Modern Web Caption option as it's great for simple subtitles. Drag and drop the graphic above the video you want to subtitle. Next, make sure to stretch it out for the full length you want to subtitle for. Click on the caption graphic to open it in Effects Controls, and here you can adjust the properties. Click the arrow next to text and then source text to reveal the option to change the font and the size. You can also change the colour of the text using the fill option and add a shadow. In the shape option below, you can change the properties of the shape behind the subtitle, or if you prefer, click on the eye toggle next to shape to turn off the shape option. With the style of the graphic sorted, you can now start to add your subtitles. Double-click on the graphic in the program window and type your first line. Then for every new line, use the razor tool to create a new section of the graphic and change the text accordingly.